Hi, I'm Luke, and I'm a rising senior at Mission San Jose High School, and my project is image recognition using Raspberry Pi. So my first milestone was to save and load the model and train it so that it could accurately predict whether the image I fed it was a dog or a cat. And my second milestone was to set up everything relating to Raspberry Pi, like the camera and converting the code to from Google Colab to Raspberry Pi, the IDE in Raspberry Pi. So my second milestone was actually a lot shorter than the first milestone, and it was like only two parts. The main parts were troubleshooting once I converted from Google Colab to Raspberry Pi, because there was a lot of syntax difference between the two. Some of them include like in Google Colab, I would use from Google.colab import something, but obviously I could not use that in Raspberry Pi, so I had to find ways to fix those errors. And I think the most annoying part about converting everything to Raspberry Pi was that there were a lot of uh, errors like memory allocation and like a Hadoop file system errors, which are things like I've never encountered before. So a lot of research went into trying to troubleshoot those errors, and I had to use syntax I've never seen or like knew about even now. Like not even now, it's kind of hard to understand. And the second part of my task was to set up the camera. The camera part was a little easier because there was like a step by step guide to help me start it up. But once I got it, I was able to take a picture of one of my household items, and yeah, it worked. So yeah, that was a basic overview of the errors that popped up. And in the next video, I was going to demonstrate and show you what I did and how I fixed those errors. So moving on, the next step I want to take is to definitely do multi-classification. I haven't gotten to that yet, but I feel like it would be a really great addition to my project, or any image recognition project in general, uh, just to be able to predict and classify other objects besides just a dog and a cat. That would just, I feel like that would be a really cool addition.